Hello everyone, Jorge here with Abalo's Cloud Native and Nexus Technologies. Nexus for linking together, Nexus for connecting. And we are calling people who are willing to start a new career or people who are willing to upgrade their career into cloud native technologies, AI, cybersecurity, blockchain technologies, and smart contracts. I'm going to get you to visit my website, letcloud.ca. You see it here on the top. And we have a link for Cloud Native where you can actually sign up and start working with Cloud Underground, which is a company from the US. And we have a private Discord server, which I'm going to show you here right now. We're clicking here. This is the server. And you will be interacting with people who have a lot of experience. We are actually working in a few projects right now. We have a member of our community who is developing smart contracts for real estate. We have another member which is actually developing a full stack. Let me present it here, where he's gonna be making a website for payments and interact with Discord and all that. So anyways, we have people developing stuff with AI, blockchain technologies, front end, cybersecurity, and myself, I'm the leader of the Cloud Native Technologies teaching and training, and I can give you a quick sneak peek of what's going on here. This is what you will see in our Discord. A lot of images, a lot of concepts, a lot of links, but you're not alone. I'm here, my community is here. Basically, we live working pretty much every day. We teach you also the different roles of who you could be, what your position could be, and how can you make money. We're talking about salaries that are over 100K. This is not like you're gonna start a job that will pay you only 40 or 50K, or a job that probably, the career is not going in the right direction. We tell you what to learn so you could be competitive. You could be someone who is innovating all the time. And not just that, mental health. Because working in IT, it could be really, really devastating for a lot of people, especially because you're working and studying a lot on your own. No, you go, you do your job, and then you say, okay, I want to improve my career. I want to make more money. Or maybe you don't like what you're doing. But with me here and my community, basically, there is always a way forward. There is always a way to be competitive. There is always something fun to do. It's not like, oh, no, I hate it. I don't know. It's too hard. Well, we make it easy for you because we break all these things apart. We break it apart in pieces. This is that, learn this, learn that. And then not just that, you're going to do consultancy work with us, with my company, Lake Cloud Canada and Cloud Underground. If you show us the skills that you can get with me and all the people in my Discord server here with the owner of this Discord, I call him Sensei Nato. You show us the skills and we are doing marketing and we get some contracts. Hey, if we have you here and you know how to do observability, for example, or you know how to implement Docker containers or Kubernetes, or you know how to connect on-premise cluster of Kubernetes to the public cloud and maybe some other private VPS. I know a lot of concepts for you doesn't make any sense right now, but this is exactly what you will learn. Your terminology will go from this all the way like this. Why? Because it doesn't need to take you years. You're gonna be talking about all these concepts every day. You're gonna be using concepts like zero trust, cloud agnostic, which a lot of people don't know is still what zero trust is, or cloud agnostic, for example, or how to separate roles, DevOps. What is the role of DevOps? What is a platform engineer? What is an SRE engineer? How do they work together, right? So again, if you want to sign up for to join the Discord server from Cloud Underground, a company from the US who have a lot of years of experience in business and a lot to learn from them. They are actually my mentor. And come into my website here, lakecloud.ca, follow the link for Abalo's Cloud Native. Sign up, it's $3.99 for life if you're an active member. If you want to have one-on-one session, so I can tell you how everything works, it's only $100 for 2 hours. And then if you sign up, make sure you follow all these links in here, so you could be you can get started almost pretty much right away. Look how cool this logo looks. I love it because this is what we do. We're warriors in here. We love to be in that scenario where I like hard. I like the hard stuff. Hardcore technology. because that's the future. If you don't step up right now, what your life will be in 2, 3 years from now? Maybe the skills that you got right now will be obsolete. Maybe you won't need it anymore. Myself, as a cyber guy, I know that I'm taking the right steps moving into blockchain technologies, AI, and cloud native, especially Gen AI applications that are being basically designed with AI technologies. And I've been paying attention to this for the last 2 years, almost 2 years. And I say, it's time to make a change. It's time to get ahead of the game. If I could be five years ahead of the game and know what people need in 5 years from now, and at the same time, I know that most of the stuff that I'm learning here or teaching is stuff that you could be working maybe in 6 months with me, with NATO, and the people in the community, maybe your own personal branding, your own company. Maybe you can have your own company and your personal branding, because that's what I like. I like to teach personal branding. I like to motivate people. I like to take you out from that room, basically, because a lot of people is like, get home, okay, I'm gonna study now, and then you're like isolated. Okay, wife is there, kids are here, but hey, I'm missing out. What about if you learn the hardcore stuff, you become a genius, and after that, enjoy your life, make the right money, right? Invest the time that you want. If you want to work 48 hours, fine. If you want to work 24 hours, fine. But a 9 to 5 job for the same money and a career that probably is not gonna take you far long term, maybe you're already there. I've been there on the top, right? But I know if I didn't make the change a few months ago or last year, things will not have, nothing was gonna make sense for me long term. So I needed to make a decision, and I'm more than happy that I took a new route towards my career, my life, and a new approach, which is community based. So as soon as you join, I will give you an introduction about blockchain technologies, AI, what we do, and all that. And again, you're not alone. I can tell you, I've been in Canada for 16 years. I work in the oil and gas up north in Fort McMurray. I work in the coal mines, everything, always doing IT stuff. I don't work for the government in special services. And there is a lot to share when it comes to salaries, money, companies, careers, innovation. And you know what? Just check my videos, check my website. There is a few links in here. You can click and I can give you more details. So if you like it, I'll be happy to introduce myself personally here, online, remotely. And if you're around my city, hey, let's go for coffee. And thank you very much. I hope to see you in our private Discord or the DevSecOps Dojo, where innovation, being competitive, and learning business, consultancy work, trainings, and the future. Hey, don't step back, look ahead, and be competitive. Take care, have a good day, and see you in the dojo. Bye.